Guys, that was such a fun party, but did you see the storm? I know, it was so bad, but I wonder how the stable is. Yeah, me too. Ugh! Oh my gosh. This place is a mess. Beep, beep. Right, let's park up and get out. Ah! Ugh, this snow is really slippy. Girls, be careful. Ah! I did it. Okay, let me just close my door. There we go. Now, we need to get started of cleaning this place. How did the shopping trolley get over here? The shop's only a lot of miles away, but yeah. Well, let's get this place tidied. Yeah, let's start. Let's get this fence back up. Ugh, guys, I'm gonna need some help. Oh, okay. Come on. Oh, this is a heavy fence. Guys, we need to get it put back together. Okay. Right, let's get this fence put back together. Yeah, let's do this. This is such a heavy fence. Look at how big this thing is. Right, first of all, let's get this together. So heavy. Nearly done. Right, now we connect this bit. Oh, you okay, Helen? Yeah, I got stuck though. Wow. This is so hard. Okay, one sec. There we go. So we got that done. But there's a few loose horses, so we're going to have to catch them little rascals. Let's just put the fence back. Alright. Right, so that's done. Come on, horses. Come on, we have carrots. Oh, come on. Did someone say carrots?